my usual dinner for the family.
Let's see, what is it?
Progressive.
It's not focusing, but it's okay. What's Brodie doing here? Maybe Daddy can make him laugh. Hey, little man. I guess he's too interested in all the toys.
He's having a lot of fun. He really is.
He's learning how to use his arms and grab things.
This is his favorite one. He's probably upset because this one's all the way too far to reach.
Hey, cutie. Hey, Brodie. He's so cute. Hey, little man. Hey. That was hard to do. Little noisy eater.
Hasn't come up for air yet. Whole bottle. I did it. Think about it. Come on. About to go to sleep. You on? Oh, open up. Watch the arm. Watch the arm. It goes.
And he's down for the night. Nice and relaxed.
What happened?
Good job, Elena. You're a natural.
Sorry, Elena.
You guys weren't going anywhere, were you?
Yeah, I might go to the city.
Okay.
Brodie, you've been eating about 2 or 3 weeks now.
Don't be camera shy.
Mom's going to take a get a smile and be happy.
All right.
Yeah. Ah. Gosh, look at that. Isn't that delicious?
And there's a close-up. What a cute profile.
What are you talking about? Oh, Brodie.
Did you think it was your profile?
I thought maybe.
Oh.
I think he looks like his daddy, though.
He does look like him.
Yeah.
Last weekend everyone said, no, he looks like Elaine. I see so much of Elaine in him. I said, where? But maybe that was when he was screaming.
His grandma. The proud grandma.
He eats like a potato.
Brodie's been good like he always is.
Who's my new boy?
Who's my new boy? Oh, did I? Mommy's cute.
bear.
And a bear. Somebody just had a bear. Look at these chunky legs. Look at these little tummy. Look at the little tummy. Tummy. Oh. Okay. Cut.
Oh, gassy.
Somebody. Oh.
Alright, we'll get him in his pajamas.
Here's Brodie. There's my little boy. Hi. He's in a happy mood. He's in a happy mood. We're decorating the tree. What? You talk to mommy? Brodie. Hi, little boy. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, who's that, Brodie? Who's that? That's the big daddy. Ow! He's all happy.
We know why.
Why?
He just made himself feel better.
Oh, he did a big poopy.
And now it's Mommy's turn to do his diaper.
That's right, like...
Ooh. You gonna hit that? You gonna hit that ball? Time to change venues. He's bored over here.
Oh boy, different view of the tree maybe?
Yeah.
It's our new angel we got today. Hello, angel.
Put this guy right in front of you. See that? Hang on. Let's me drag his feet across the radiator.
Even though it's hot?
Yeah, just quickly.
Like that?
Yeah. His hands too.
What's that daddy doing? You know what he likes? He likes a mommy activity.
Give me a push-up. Give me a push-up. Come on, soldier. Give me a push-up. Have him do a push-up, huh?
You can't help him do a push-up.
Yeah, just pull his arms in.
Huh?
Pull his arms in a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, now you have to eat your hand. Is that how it works? What a big boy! He's mommy's big boy. I want to go down now. Lift it up. Oh. Oh, where's my big boy? Where's my big boy? Want to go up more? Who's that? Who's that? playing terrible music? Who's playing the terrible music? What's that thing? What's that thing Daddy's got?
Yeah. What do you want for dinner? What's for dinner? Want to get the phone, please?
I want him alone.
He's done laughing for tonight. Just wow, man. Just wow. Crazy. Cool.
Oh dear. Oh, what's that Daddy doing? What's that? Oh dear. Oh, Eskimo kiss, Eskimo kiss. Oh dear. Tito Monjuna, la la la, la la la. Boop.
Lay him down and lift him up.
You wanna lay down? Ready, Brodie?
Let me get an angle.
Uppy,
Go.
uppy. Oh, big boy! What a big boy! Yeah! Let's stand up. Ready? Ready? Show Daddy how you stand up. Oh my God! Look at the big boy! He's such a big boy!
Oh, that's no fun.
Why is he doing that?
I have no idea. Because he's a wild man.
You can get off me, Daddy.
Wow. I don't know if there's a happy cry or a sad cry.
Yeah, at first I thought he was laughing about it all. I want to see if the big boy stand. Can you show Mommy how you stand?
It's a process. He starts on his back.
Come here, let's see my big boy.
Let's see it. Come on, give me something.
Who's my big boy?
Oh,
Oh boy, what a big boy!
then you rest here, catch your breath, and then go for it.
Oh my God, what a big boy! Oh, what a big boy! Oh, and you jump too. That's great. That's great. You're gonna have long arms like your daddy. Yeah. Yeah. I love
Where's
you.
Mom? Where's Mom?
My little boy. Who's my little boy? Hey! Yeah, you're such a big boy. You're such a big boy. Yeah. What do you got? What do you got there? What a, oh my gosh! That one, boom. There you go. Oh my goodness, what a big boy. Oh. You need a toy, don't you? There you go. There's your toy. There's your toy. Oh, dear mommy.
Give us the leg.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh,
What's Mommy doing?
come here. Mommy's gonna get you. Mommy's gonna get you. Get you.
Not a chance.
Mommy's gonna get you.
Uh-oh, you're in trouble.
Hey, you. Stop staring at the camera.
What a ham.
Stop staring at the camera. We don't know where the cat must feel anymore.
We are.
Brodie, stop looking at the camera.
It's got a big red light on it. That's what he likes. Nope.
It's
A
pretty
little.
good. Want a kiss? Want a kiss? Mwah. Thank you.
Take a bow.
Where's the paws?
Where's that paw?
He's such a big boy. Look at him. He takes the spoon right out of my hand. What a big boy. Such a big boy. Hey, what's that black thing?
Have you actually gotten any food in his mouth yet?
A lot. He's eating a lot today.
Oh, good. What a mess.
Ready, Brodie? Ready, watch this. Right
Good boy. Oh, lovely. I don't recommend watching this video by dinner time. Before or after.
Oh, Dad, yes, go. 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 Okay, I think we're done.
Ta-da! Good job, bro, man.
Take a lollipop. You really are. What a big boy. That's very good. Oh, who's in the van all by himself? You're such a big boy. You're such a big boy.
Hey, give him a cigar and a glass of champagne.
Yeah. Yeah, you're a big boy. Yeah.
Do it again. It's raining.
I was gonna brush you. What happened? So here's the brush.
Hey, Mommy. Say hello.
Hello. Hello. This is our favorite thing to do, right? We love to take the bath. You're such a big boy now. Such a big boy.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Look at his belly.
You can actually see it fill up and get bigger. You have to take a little nap.
The blizzard of '96. Here's Drew. Actually, first. Hold out. Hey, Drew. How's it out?
Very deep. Very cold.
Okay.
It's still snowing.
It's incredible. Too cold. That's it. Now I gotta go out too.
What guy doing?
He's not happy. When the wind blows in his face, he gets a little upset.
My kids are supposed to like the snow, Brodie.
I'm only 5 months old. How can I like this? Think I should throw him in there? 1, 2, 3. Oop.
Look at those tan shot here. Oops. And there's the tree I think is going to fall down any minute.
I think it's just creeping in the wind.
No, you had it here before. It was like, felt like it was about to fall over. There's Elaine's aerodynamic car.
I think I should get Brodie inside too, but... No! Look at all this snow!
Sure the child abuse agencies would be interested in this?
Is he having fun?
He's okay.
This is funny.
Try to walk to the front and back.
No drift here.
Whoa. Woo! That's cold. Okay. I think there's been a casualty in the blizzard. There's Elaine messing up my shoveling job.
Did you see what I did?
I saw a little bit. What were you doing, making angels?
What?
You were making snow angels?
No, it's clearing the driveway. Someone didn't do it.
Hello.
Hey, who's that? Who came in the door? Is that Mama? You don't recognize her with all that clothes on, huh?
Drew.
You, oh, look at that face. Not yet, not till you're a little older, my son. But that's a good boy. Hi. Daddy's doing. Oh, he's cooking dinner. That's good. A little chicken in the toaster oven, some veggies, some pasta, some salad on the table. That's who Mom and Brodie are doing. What?
Nothing.
You can see what's on that before.
What?
Rewind that video a little bit.
I will. Maybe I want to video my little boy watching his daddy play guitar.
Don't try sneaking out.
Oh, Drew, that's cute.
Nice dinner. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Right, this way.
Okay, good. Hi, beautiful.
Can't reach.
Good. I can get him.
Regular way. What's Mommy doing up there?
Hi. He's doing just a little.
If you fall, should you fall front or back?
Sideways.
Sideways.
How do you stop in case you go down a hill?
That's the same as Barbara's question. Fall sideways.
Fall sideways. You can't like
Seriously?
So you can snowplow like you do downhill.
snowplow. Okay, you can.
But if it's a steep hill, just bail out.
Alright.
But you're serious, right? Sideways?
Yeah. If you have a choice. Sometimes you don't have a choice.
Do a lot of men go around here? Like, do they cross country?
Yeah, there'll be some other people out there.
Yeah, I'm talking about men.
For all the men who are cross-country skiing.
Who's your way to do this?
Very nice, very nice. Let's see, Barbara.
Like those feet sticking out. Mommy just watch the best stuff. Hi, Mara. Hello. Go ahead.
We're recording.
Go get it. Go get it.
Why are you trying to stand? He's trying to stand. Show Mommy how you walk. I mean, how you crawl.
No. We just waxed the floors. Come here, bro.
Why are you holding that? Look at him go. His pants are falling down.
We try it on the carpet, see what it does.
Eat his belly. Go on. Make him laugh. Alright, don't. Brodie, Brodie.
There's a mama. There's your mama.
What is that thing? Why don't you crawl through it?
What is that, Brodie? Like a toy?
Looks like he's waving. Uh-oh, uh-oh, he's getting awfully close. Ah!
Hey, bud. Look.
Orange. This juice is orange. Brown. Brown. White. Oh.
Whoops.
This juice is
Where you going?
Oh, he got up quick that time. I didn't even get to... You standing? Are you standing? What a big boy. You're a big boy, aren't you?
Yeah.
Hey!
Look, he's stretching out, getting warmed up. Whoa. Let's see that quick replay of Daddy's hand.
Good catch.
Let's do Mama. Where's Mama? Go to Mama.
Hi there. Come here, you. Where you go? What a big... Oh my gosh, he's such a big boy. Oh boy, what a big boy. Oops, I forgot about the camera. What a big boy you are. Live.
All right, down to your starting position.
Brodie's not going to be happy.
You know what to do. He's smiling, he knows. Up, up.
Where's
Here
Brodie?
come the hands. Where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Oh, don't, you're a bad boy. Don't you do that. You're not supposed to do that.
He's getting into position.
Oh, he's so
he
anxious
goes.
to do it now.
Oh.
Brodie. You're supposed to stand up, Brodie.
There you go. He'll do it. Watch this, Brodie. You ready? Spin, 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 spin. And that's the way we do it, okay? You try. Alright, we'll practice again later. Mommy's not around. But for now, we'll just have some other fun. Ready, Brodie? We're gonna play jumping. Whee! 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 There's a happy boy. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Yay! 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 Yeah.
You should have seen that.
spend half an hour here. Oh, he's too funny. No,
He's not gonna do it.
he's looking at me. He's looking right at the camera. You little stinker.
You show up. Oh my gosh, wow.
Are you okay?
I could have went out the window.
A little harder, Brodie. A little harder. Kick him out the window. Oh!
I'm gonna go out the
Oh my
window.
gosh, it weighs a ton.
I'm gonna go out the window. I'm gonna break the couch.
Oh, no. You raspberry me. Oh, hey, Brodie. What you eating? Is that your first muffin? You think it is? You love it, don't you? Don't stop eating, good mommy. I'm gonna sit right here with you. Hey, yummy. Some more? Hey, Brodie. Yeah, you very hungry. Why you so hungry?
Ah, there we go. And here comes Brodie. In the pup tent. Let's play in the tent. Whee!
Gonna go right and get the train, huh? It's like blind.
Don't stop for me.
Where's my boy? Hi, Brodie. Come here.
Ah, in the stomach.
There's a red light at the front of the camera. That's what we wanted.
It's a horror movie. Ah! Hey, Brodie. What are you looking at, Brodie? What are you... Look at him.
You squirrely? No, it's a squirrel. Any doggies?
What are you looking at, Brodie? You want to come up?
That's the first words you say, Brodie, is up.
Up?
Boink.
Oh, feet first. Very good.
Oh, wow. That's very good.
Okay. Brody, come here. Brody.
Ready? Yeah. Are you good?
Brody.
You again? Boom! You smart boy. Hi, Brodie. Hi, Brodie. You know I'm recording. He knows the camera.
Hello, boy.
Where's my Brodie?
Where's Mama?
Peekaboo. 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 Hi. Boo. You want mommy toesies? Toesies, toesies. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop. Oh dear, what a big mouth. Oh, that's so funny. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the video. Bye-bye. Yeah, he's so silly. Yay! Yay!
Peekaboo.
Yay! Yay! Oh, what a big...
Oh, almost lost it. Good recovery. Oh. Oh.
Yay!
Yeah. Whoa. Wow. Hello, anyone home? Is there anyone home?
Hey you. Hey you. Someone's a little overtired, I think.
Brodie? Hey, Brodie?
Brodie! Kiss?
Give us a kiss. Come give us a kiss.
Kiss?
Give us a kiss. Oh!
boom.
Whoa! Whoa!
Kiss. Now you come to mommy. Now that I got the camera, but oh, dear.
Oh! What are you...
You're not splashing, are you? Oh!
Oh! There's one more chair back there if you want to grab it. Hey! Oh! Oh! Peekaboo! Brodie, here's another chair.
Don't you splash. Hey!
Hey!
Brodie.
Peekaboo! What's that? What's that? What's that? What's Mama? What's Mama doing? What's Mama doing? What's Mama doing? You like cute?
Brodie.
Notice how that water beads on the deck. Very good job. Hey!
Thank you for complimenting my polyurethane.
Oh,
Daddy. Hey! Brodie. Hey! So silly.
Let's sit him on the chair with me.
He's gonna get all wet. Ready?
Oh, peekaboo! What you doing? What's that?
He must know what you're doing.
What are you doing? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna get Splash. That's dinner from last night that's still on the table over there. Oh dear. Ow. Inside. Splash. Splash, splash, splash. Ow, ow. You're so silly.
Ow.
Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Messy mess? Who's my messy? What, is that yummy? Well, yummy? Did you have a yummy dinner? Up?
going this way.
What are you doing?
Exploring. Break Mama's antenna.
Let's see what happens when Brodie sees the garage door open. He gets very excited. Wow, that's like magic.
Abracadabra. Open sesame.
Closed sesame.
I think we're at the end of the tape just about. Say hi, Elena.
Hi.
What's all this laughing out here?
Wait, I'm trying to go on half. I won't laugh no more.
Peekaboo!